Okay, so welcome everyone for the today's session. Today we are going to discuss about our theme BuddyX uh, and how you can create your community website with the help of BuddyX and WordPress plugin BuddyPress. Okay, so BuddyX is a theme for BuddyPress which provide you a professional design for your community. And today with me is Pooja, and she is going to give a walkthrough about what is BuddyPress and what is our theme BuddyX and the features it has to provide you a community website as per your requirement. Okay, so Pooja.
Hi, everyone. So I'm excited to be here today to talk about how BuddyX can help you to create an engaging and vibrant online community platform. So the three basic requirements for an online community is fresh WordPress installation, a community plugin, and a community theme. So we will first check what community plugin provides us. We will talk about popular plugin BuddyPress. And it's amazing what it provides for a full-fledged online community platform. It provides you with all the feature that is needed for a community platform, that is for user profile, activity streams, group, friendship connections, private messages, and lot more. So we will dive deep into each of these features. So there is an option for activity streams. There are three types of activity streams: site-wide activity stream, group activity stream. Site-wide activity stream shows all the activities throughout the website. Group activity stream will show the specific group activity, and member specific activity field will show the member specific activities throughout the site. Then we have a profile session for members where they can track all their activities. They can adjust and add their profile details. They have notification section, so they can keep a track of what is happening inside the community and nothing will be missed. And there is an option for interacting community members personally with private messaging feature. One can connect with one another with friendship component. The friends section inside the profile will show the request you have for friendship and the list of members who are connected with you. It will show the list of groups you are joined in, and you have a setting to adjust your profile details. All these components admin can handle from the backend setting. If admin have enabled the particular option, then user can able to use that component. We also have an option if we move forward to the group section. So admin also have an option to enable the create group option for members, so that community members can also create groups for similar interest people. They can make a group of their friends and discuss and talk there. The group directory will list all the groups throughout the BuddyPress site. One can join the group and interact with the people having similar interest. There is a notification section so that you do not miss anything happening on the site. So notification are central aspect of user experience on BuddyPress site. By default, new notifications are displayed in the admin profile menu right next to the navigation menu, but some theme like BuddyX provides you a special icon and a pop-up for notification, so you do not miss any notification. There will be a notification icon beside the header menus, and if you have any notification, you can directly select all notification from this pop-up to see, or you can directly mark all as read. So this is what BuddyX provides you for notification section. Actually, BuddyX provides you something for every BuddyPress feature. There's something for every BuddyPress feature what a theme provides. For a community website, you also need a theme for a better UI and user experience. So we will now check what BuddyX provides for BuddyPress and what. So there's a limitless possibilities. BuddyX is a WordPress community theme. Actually, I do not want to focus on the community word much because there is a long list of integration, and you can later convert your community into blogging, membership site, e-learning, or an online store. So there are limitless possibilities. So let's dig deeper.
For the BuddyPress component, first of all, we are going to discuss about those, like what community component BuddyX is providing us. Yeah, Pooja.
Yes, so we will start with the, yes, we will move forward with the community specific pages like activity stream, members, group, single members, because we provide sidebar, specific sidebars for these community pages. And we also provide control for single member profile and single group. But before that, we will discuss about these header and header menus, profile drop down, and side panel, because themes provide you with 3 location for menus. Okay. So theme provides you with the 3 locations: primary, user menu, and side menu. Primary menu will be displayed on the header section. Profile user menu will be displayed here and at the profile drop down. And if you select the display location as side menu, then these menu will be represented inside the side panel. And you also have an option for choosing this icon. If you click on particular menu, you have this option to select an icon. You can select any icon from here and you can set it. So it's as easy as that. It's just a click and you will have a separate icon for every menu. And now if as you said, for community pages, so we will move forward with community pages. So we will provide a separate sidebar. You will get this option inside the customizer sidebar section. So not only for community pages, but you will have this option for default sidebar layout is for all WordPress pages. Then you will have this option for single post. You will have this option for activity directory, member directory, group directory. And if you are using any plugin that for shop or e-learning website, then there's a sidebar for that too. You have a sticky sidebar option. So if you select you have the option to select left sidebar, right sidebar, or both sidebar. If you have selected the both sidebar from here, then both the sidebar will be displayed on the activity stream page. But the priority will be of the single page setting. This setting can be override by the single page setting. You also have an option to select the template here. If you select the template here, left sidebar or no sidebar or right sidebar, then it has the priority over the customizer options. And what widgets we also provide specific sidebars for these community pages. For community pages, you have a community left sidebar section. You can select the widgets here. The selected widgets will appear on all the community left sidebar pages. So activity, stream, member, and group community pages. So the community sidebar will appear on these pages. Then you have a option for activity directory right sidebar. This will only appear on the activity directory page. And the widget selected here will display at the right side of the activity directory page. For member directory, as we have selected only the right sidebar, so it's only displaying the right sidebar here. And it is showing member widgets because the member directory right sidebar is having member and group widgets. So
correct.
basically we have different sidebars for different right sidebar section for activity, member and group directory. For single member profile, we have two specific sidebar, that one is for activity tab of member profile and one is for profile tab of member single profile. Let me show you. So we move forward to the member directory and check the single profile of some member. Then we can see this widget here inside the activity tab. And this is a dedicated sidebar for this.
Okay. Just we can start with comparing the what's by default BuddyPress is offering as a layout and what impact we will have on these community pages using our theme. Okay, like one by one, the profile, group, and member directory.
What BuddyPress provide is this simple clean layout, and we are enhancing the UI with these sidebars and member header area. These BuddyPress sub nav area, we have settings for these all. If we move to the community setting and single member profile, then you have a layout to choose a member header layout. If you select it, center view, this is how it looks. So basically you can
You can
control
customize the things on this page only. Okay, like for customizing this profile options, profile page options, you can customize on this page only.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, admin have all the controls to set his site as per his need and as per his brand. There is also an option for this BuddyPress subnavs. It is set as swipe. You can set it more for 3 more dots, and it will display all the other menus like. This is how it will display. So you can see other section inside this more. And if you are selecting the member navigation style, there's also an option for that. If you want to display the username or the display name, by default it is displaying the username. If you want to display here username, you can select that also. And you have also control to enable or disable the details on the single profile. If you do not want this joined date on user profile, then you can simply disable this. Similarly, we provide the settings for single group also. So single group also has these options for styling your single group section. There is also an option for group directory and member directory layout. We provided with two directory view, default and card view.
You can keep open the group page and then customize on the same page. Then it will reflect better.
Yes, we have an option for group directory. There's a view card and default view. I think we are joined with a new member. Hi, Mark. Can you hear me? Welcome.
Hello, Mark.
Hi there.
Yeah.
Hi,
Welcome.
Mark. Thanks for joining the webinar.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, sure. We are currently explaining about like what are the features we are offering with our BuddyX theme. Okay, to accompany with BuddyPress. Okay, Pooja, go ahead.
Let's first introduce, start with the introductions section. So, Mark, can you introduce yourself and how you get to know about BuddyX? Are you a user or do you have any views and feedbacks for BuddyX?
Yeah, we have a professional community of physicians in Canada, and we're looking at extending our site to include a community site for them.
Yeah.
So now I'm just in the prototype stage.
Okay. That's great. You can easily implement. You have a website on WordPress only? Hello, Ma.
Yeah, pardon me, I didn't hear that.
Do you have website on WordPress only? Your current website, which
No, it happens to be a Drupal site, so we're going to have a hybrid website.
okay, you want to create a website on WordPress. Okay, you can. Yeah,
Well,
you
no,
can. You can easily create a community website on WordPress using our theme and using BuddyPress. And based on your requirements, you can select the features you want in your community. Okay, so Pooja, you can continue with love explaining how what is BuddyPress first once again, and then how BuddyX theme can implement it on it.
Yes, we can briefly go through what we have discussed so far. So we have discussed about what BuddyPress provides. It's a WordPress community plugin, and it provides you with it provides you with multiple feature to have a full-fledged community website. It provides you with a member profile, activity stream, activity streams having three options: site-wide activity stream, group activity stream, and member activity stream. It provides you with private messaging, friendship, and notification, and much more features for a branded online community. And for a community who, apart from this community plugin, you also need a theme for a better user interface. So that's what BuddyX is for. Actually, I do not want to emphasize on community word, because with BuddyX, apart from community, you can also monetize it later. You can start with community or you can monetize it later, as it has having a long list of integrations. So you can easily convert your community site into blogging, into membership, or e-learning, or online store, or you can also have your events on your community website. So what BuddyX provides, like BuddyPress community plugin provides you with a clean layout, simple clean layout, and BuddyX has something for every BuddyPress feature. So it enhances the look. It provides you with the ease to control each and every section of the community pages. You can control the single profile, single group. You can control the directories as per your brands. You can customize the theme easily in just a few clicks. Like if BuddyPress provides you with a notification section here at the top right admin bar. So BuddyX provides you with a notification icon on the header for ease, so you can easily view that. And with this pop-up, you will also have an option to mark all as read, or you can navigate to the all notification directly from this header menu. Then you can control all your community pages. BuddyX provides a dedicated sidebar for every community pages, whether it is an activity stream, whether it is a group directory, whether it is a member directory, or it is a single member or single group. So it has a dedicated sidebar for each of these community pages. It has a customizer option, so you can select which sidebar layout you want on each pages, whether you want two sidebar, both sidebar, whether you want left sidebar or right sidebar, and you can control it for every pages, every WordPress pages, WordPress post, and every community pages like activity directory, member directory, group directory. And if you are using any integration like WooCommerce, LearnDash, then it has an option for that also. Here you have a dedicated sidebar widgets. The community left sidebar will be displayed on each of the community pages. This is the community left sidebar. So you can have a dedicated sidebar for community pages. Then you will have a dedicated sidebar for activity stream, member directory, and group directory right sidebar.
So this is the activity stream page.
Yes, this is the activity stream page. And
Okay.
theme also provides you with the customization of menus like header menu, side panel, and user drop down. So you can simply navigate to this option from the appearance menu section. If you have selected the primary, then that will display at the header area. If you select the display location as side menu, then it will appear at that menu will appear at the side panel. And if you select the user profile, then it will appear at the user profile drop down of the header. And you also have the and you also have the functionality to add icon to enhance the appearance of your menu. If you want, you can add icon to any of these menus available. Currently, I'm removing this icon. So this, so far we have discussed about sidebar and menu and notification area. And theme also provides you with the options to control the community directory. Like there's a community setting inside the customizer, and it will allow you to control the experience and the look of your group directory or member directory or single group. Like you have two views for group directory. You can set it as default or a card view. Then you can set a background image for your groups, because if member created a group and he didn't apply a cover image, then this default cover image will appear there. And you can also control the details displayed on the group directory. If you do not want the last active, then you can simply disable this option. Like this, so you can enable or disable these options easily. Similarly, we have these feature for single group also. So we visit some single group. So you can adjust the header layout as per your need. There's few options to set the header layout. Like it is center as left.
I think we can start with like how someone can start as a fresh, like what I hear about Mark, like if they do not have used WordPress previously, I think they can try with the Taste WP demo, and then using the how to use these sets of plugin and themes to create the setup. I think we can go in that direction, like show them how they can create a WordPress setup free on Taste WP for testing purpose, and then implement the theme and BuddyPress on the same site. I think we can quickly cover up that so that they can also try and play with our theme there. And you can also show the theme sandbox demo they can create on their own from the theme page.
Basically, you need three basic things to start a fresh WordPress installation, like I have created on Taste WP site. It allows you to create a test site.
Yeah.
So
you can visit the TSWP just to show and provide the link in the chat later.
Okay.
Yeah. Just go on the tswp.com only. It's a website which allow you to create a WordPress setup, like a fresh WordPress setup there.
Yes.
Agree?
Yes, on TasteWP, you can create a fresh WordPress setup, and then you can move to the theme section and plugin section to add your plugin and themes. You basically need the BuddyPress plugin. It is a free plugin. If you hit on add new, you can search it here and activate the BuddyPress plugin. So you will search here, you will get an option as it is already activated. So it's not showing install now button. And then you can move forward and add the BuddyX Pro theme. When you
You have
will
to
add the
purchase the
BuddyX Pro,
theme. Yeah, you have to purchase from the website and upload it, the theme file here to upload the theme section.
yes, and once the theme is activated, you will get a notification for installing required plugin. These are some of the required plugins you will get. Hi, Binu. Thanks for joining us. Hi, Binu. Am I audible? So once you will activate the BuddyX Pro theme, you will get this required plugin notice. These are some of the required plugins you will get with the theme bundle. There is a Kirki customizer framework for customizer options. You will get reaction and share plugin with BuddyX theme. What reaction and share plugin exactly do, I will show you here. You will get an option to react on every activity feed. By default, BuddyPress provides you with the like and comment option, and the theme also provides you to react on activities, and there is an option to share also. You can share some activity on your group or on your profile. You will have a group list here if you join any group. Like if I join any group, then I will have a group list here, so I can directly share this activity to that group.
Yeah, select the group, you can send.
Or you also, reaction plugin also provides you an option to select the react emoticons you want. You can edit these short codes.
Edit actions.
And you can simply drag and drop which icon you want here for users to see. So, hi Binu, am I audible?
I don't think he's there.
Yes,
Okay.
you are.
So, thanks for joining our webinar. So, can you
My pleasure.
introduce yourself and how you came to know about BuddyX? Are you a user of BuddyX? Do you have any views and feedbacks?
I'm from Chennai. I'm a test user.
Yeah.
I've been trying this, not at law. In fact, launch this website as such. Just trying out of my interest. I'm just trying with the WordPress and happy with what the BuddyPress applications.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So yes, BuddyX is a theme for BuddyPress to enhance the community look. Actually, it is all you can also monetize it later because it has a long list of integrations.
I think we
Yes.
can discuss about the used cases along with the community, what people are using. Okay.
Yeah.
Pooja, you can,
Sorry, this is Mark. I have a question for you. I
Yeah,
hadn't tried Taste WordPress. I had
Yeah.
tried a number of other free WordPress sites just to
just for the testing purpose,
Okay.
you can create the website there.
Yeah, here's the problem I'm having though is that so many of those free WordPress sites are so tiny in terms of the sandbox they give you. I can't really get a sense of the overall performance and interactive nature of the site because it gets quite slow on those shared
Okay.
instance.
Actually, for if you are creating a community like this sort of community, your server need some large number of resources. Like the resources should be there, like the memory size and the RAM should be strong. So because these applications need more power from the server end. Okay, so for testing this, so testing website, what they are offering is actually like a limited resource for every test user, because a lot of people are testing on their platform. Okay, the real experience you will feel only on your own server when you host on the website, and you optimize your server accordingly based on your requirements.
Yeah, I get that when I move to production, I'd want to
Yeah,
maximize my server itself.
yeah,
But I'm saying
right now,
before committing to production, you
yeah,
want to
yeah,
get a sense of the performance. Is there a site where perhaps a WBCom is set up,
yeah, we have
a
set up the
server, just to
website.
experience it?
Okay, please visit. Uh, Pooja, please send this URL in the chat section.
Okay.
Yeah, in the chat you can share the URL.
Yeah, I got to get to it.
Okay, Benu and
I
Mark.
will.
Yeah, there is an option try sandbox BuddyPress. You can just click there and input your email, and it will create a website set up with our theme and the required plugins to set up the community. And some of the extensions are also there, like the LMS section, event, and the e-commerce section is also on the demo of our theme. Okay, this actually this page is actually the demo what our demo is offering. Okay, you see this is a demo
I
website.
simply hit on this try sandbox button and enter my email address, and this is actually the sandbox I visited from here.
Yeah.
No, that's good. I mean, it looks quite responsive and speedy as part of your demo. So that's great. I'll go and try that URL out.
Okay, you can try it out, and from the backend option, you can make the changes from the admin setting for all these pages too. Okay, and for the front end, you can experience the changes you do on the website. Okay, you can like create this sandbox every after 4 hours, because after 4 hours this sandbox will be gone. Okay, so it available only for a limited number of hours to test. Okay, again you have to create a new sandbox from the theme page. Got it?
So so I can move forward.
Yeah, you can move forward with the possible integrations with communities, like how LearnDesk is integrating with our theme, and how multi-vendor plugins
Actually,
are.
I also want to discuss what required plugin we are offering, because I also
Yeah.
want to discuss the what webform essential plugin provides.
Yeah.
So far we have discussed about the reactions and share plugins we are getting with the theme bundle, so that one can react on the activity and can share that activity to his profile or to the group lists. The group list will be shown if you already joined some group. And we will move forward and check what we also have we also provide a layout for forum archive. This is a forum archive, and you can navigate to the customizer community setting forum archive layout. There are 3 layouts you can choose from: card, default, or cover. This is a default layout.
Forum actually came from another plugin, which is BBPress. Along with BuddyPress, if you need forum in your community, you will need another plugin, which is BBPress. This one. So all the features you are finding in the website are coming through some sort of plugins, and the overall layout design to match all these features. You will need the theme, which is our theme BuddyX, which is like combining everything and giving you a uniform layout overall the website.
I've shared the link of BBPress also inside the chat.
Okay.
So it's basically for forum, and we provide a layout for forums also, forum archive. Then we have a web form essential plugin with the theme bundle. It will allow you to create a dedicated login and registration pages. Actually, it provides you with
Lot of templates.
yes, a lot of page templates. So you can have a professional like pages in just a few clicks. Let me show you. I've selected the layout Elementor full width because Webcom Essential will provide elemental widgets.
Elementor is the most popular page builder people use with WordPress.
So this icon is coming from the Webcom Essential plugin. It will provide you with multiple ready-to-use page templates. And like if I want this as my login page, I just have to select the template and click on a update. And now I will set this page as my login page. I'll navigate to the customizer general setting, page mapping, and I'll set this. I think I'm already having
Yeah.
one page and I created another. No worries. One can select login page. The one he created, the login page, he can map it here inside the customizer setting. So this is what, if you do not want the header and footer, then you can select the page template as Elementor canvas. So it's totally depend on the page template you selected for your login page.
Like for any page you want to create along with the community pages, like about page, home page, you can simply use the Elementor page builder and utilize these pre-built templates or create your own.
And if you do not want this page mapping, then you can disable this. And we also have an option for login and register pop-up. This is how it will appear. You can select the pop-up for both.
So there are various options like for designing all these register and login pages. Based on a design, you can select what sort of things you need for these pages.
Yeah, so basically with BuddyX, you can have a professional website in just a few clicks. It has every option for a prop community, and it also has ability to be monetized further. So there's a long list of integration. You can have events, stores, learning platforms. Like if you have a WooCommerce, it's a e-commerce plugin for having a shop. You can also have a multi-vendor plugin. If you have multiple vendors on your website, then you can use any multi-vendor plugin like Dukan. The theme is also compatible with that. Theme is compatible with all the major WordPress plugins. Yeah, Shashank, were you saying anything?
Yeah, allow me to screen share. I want to just go through all these sections one by one quickly and sum up this.
Please check if you have the screen sharing.
Okay, so I'm just going to create a sandbox here. Okay, for demo. Input my email there. And it's preparing the website. Okay, the time limit is 2 hours. So the testing time under which this demo will expire is 2 hours right now. Okay. And along with the community, what you can have on your website, like for monetization, what people actually basically use with BuddyPress commonly are the selling courses with their website. Okay, and for selling courses, WordPress have a lot of plugins, and people select based on their requirement. There are plugins like Learndash, Sensei, Lifter, LMS, and most popular is the Learndash one. Okay, so we have input a demo with Learndash also. So in this demo, we have Learndash plugin there. Okay, this is the Learndash LMS, which allow you to create courses, lessons, and it will look like this with our theme. Like this is the Learndash integration. Sorry, might be not loading completely. Yeah. Okay. So this will be like the course page. And this is the course page, what Learndash provide you. Okay. And BuddyX provide you this clean layout with that. Okay. By default, all the WordPress plugin provide you a default layout. And what you will need is a theme which accompany all those plugins alongside. Like you will find the uniform layout, all your community and your LMS page too. Okay. And one more thing is like you can also integrate your community with LMS and create a social learning experience for your students so that they can just learn on your website, like take any course and then discuss about in the community and in a particular group. And the same student can be the members of your community too. Similarly, if you want to run a multi-vendor store, like your community member can also be a vendor on your platform, like a local community, local, you can provide like multiple people can also sell on your community website. Okay, like this is a store of any member, and along with the community, people can also buy his product on the same community platform also. And the most popular one is the event, like for general communities, like for NGOs and all those things. Types of community event is a basic feature. They organize event on the same community platform where they can share about the new event and discuss about the new event on the same news feed of the website. Okay. So these are the things, and along with that, what are the features people look in a community right today's are like the gamification features. Like you can also gamify your community, like to increase the engagement in your community. You can assign points and gems based on the activities they perform. Okay, like this is simple trigger point, like when someone register, you assign and some point to them. And this is coming through one of the gamification plugins, GamiPress. Okay. So first of all, for the e-learning, you can select whatever LMS you want to use. And with our theme, you can check out, like there are all demos too. Okay, we have created demos with all the plugins. But these are not the sandbox demo. These demos are like you can just see it from the front end. Okay, like this is a demo with Learndash one. This is with the another LMS. This is with another LMS. Okay, and this is another multi-vendor plugin, and this is with the another multi-vendor plugin. Okay, and for the online store, if community need only the simple store, then the WooCommerce one is a significant, like only admin can run the store on the e-commerce platform. Okay, only admin will sell some products along with the to the community member. And for the membership, WordPress have like for the paywall. If you want to have a paywall, like every member when they join, before joining, you want to charge some amount of money to them and assign them a membership level. And based on the membership level, you want to restrict them that they can only see the activity page and they can only create the profile, not able to join some sort of group. Like these kind of restriction on the member based on the membership level, WordPress have membership plugins which can be utilized here. Okay, the most popular one are the paid membership pro, which can easily integrate with the BuddyPress, and you have to search for these plugins. Okay, and you can read about how you can integrate it with BuddyPress. Okay. Actually, all the features these are sort of plugin provide are actually the backend features. So they are basically theme independent. Okay, whatever theme you are be using, you can use any multi-vendor, any membership plugin with BuddyPress. Okay, so like this is the plugin which allow you to integrate with the member. So like when you use a membership plugin with BuddyPress, you can restrict the member based on the membership label, what they can have access, whether they can have access of the groups or not, have the messaging feature or not. So, and also the paywall feature, you can have the paywall, whether when they pay, then only they can join. By default with BuddyPress, you can only have the feature of register and can't put a paywall right now, right straight away. And with a membership plugin or with a WooCommerce plugin, you can have a pay section where customer have to pay before registering on the community platform. Okay. And next one is like the branding, all the customization options which we are providing is for the branding based on depending on your brand. You can provide the color scheme to your community and all those things. And if you have start a fresh website, we also provide a demo import feature. Okay, so that you do not have to set up all these menus again. So you can utilize our demo import feature and import our this demo website. You can import, like this is the demo website you are seeing here. If you want to import on your own server just to testing, like on the production side, testing side, you can import the exact demo and start playing with it, like keep making changes. And so we provide this live demo. The demo data, it can be only applied on a fresh new installation, so that if you already started the adding the component on your BuddyPress website, you do not need to import the demo data because it will replace all the data your website has. So it's better if you have a fresh installation, you can use the demo data feature and to import this whole demo on your website. Okay. So that's it. And along with that, the knowledge about the BuddyPress integration, how BuddyPress can integrate with BBPress, LMS plugin Landash, e-commerce plugin WooCommerce. Okay, so our theme is compatible with all the use cases along with BuddyPress, what basically people use. So whatever you will choose, our theme will be compatible with that. Okay, and we provide the widgets for the communities component. Like these are the different widgets which you find in the communities sidebar sections. So these are the widgets, which is like the complete profile. So these widgets are provided by the theme only. Okay, so all these widgets are created by theme only. And our theme also provide an advanced blog layout section. Like if you have run a blog along with the community on your website, you can style it up like the design is it according to your brand. Okay. And like there are multiple layout options for blog section. This is the blog directory section. Like you want to show blog like this, log this. Okay, by default, you can choose the options it provide to show the blog layout. Okay, and we already explained that theme provide a reaction and share feature in the community. Okay, and the most important one is a dark mode feature. Most of the communities require the dark mode feature on the theme. And Pooja, can you explain how you can implement the dark mode on the website? I will stop screen sharing. Pooja, go ahead with the dark mode feature of the theme.
Okay.
How anyone can implement the dark mode.
And theme is also translation ready. You can use local
Start a-
translate plugin.
Start the screen
Yes.
share and show the dark mode.
Yes, I'm just sharing my screen. But
Yeah.
as we are running out of time, so I was thinking.
Yeah, this is
So-
the last thing which we can showcase right now, and we can take the questions if someone have any questions regarding to the theme and whatever questions they have in general with the creating the community website. Okay.
Yes.
And the next session, what we are going to discuss about the add-ons which we can implement along with the BuddyPress, like the features of hashtags, poll in the same community, like the monetization, like the engagement add-ons, which anyone can use along with this, along with the BuddyPress in the community, and the management add-ons like the moderation feature and all those different add-ons, because these add-ons will be required to implement more features in the BuddyPress. By default, what BuddyPress is offering is a limited set of features which are the compulsory, you can say, for any community website, but all the extra add-ons which can enrich your community website, we will discuss about those in the next session. Okay. And you please complete with the dark mode right now, or so that we can just finalize it.
There is a simple setting inside the customizer site skin option. You can enable or disable the dark mode option from here. Customize the site skin option. So we'll get the site in. You can hit on
Yeah.
dark. And then
Okay.
you also have a custom colors for dark mode, which you can set from here. Customize the site skin.
Okay.
And
So-
theme is translation ready. You can use local translate plugin to translate it in your language. And if you want multilingual plugin, that WordPress also have plugin for that, and theme is compatible with that also.
Yeah, quick
Okay.
question. Does the dark mode and the translation also support the major plugins like the WooCommerce and Learn?
Yes, it's also support the major plugins like WooCommerce
Okay.
and all the other major plugins. So you
What
can
is
fully
the-
translate to your website in your language.
what
Yeah,
is
no,
the
just like
difference?
particularly the dark mode. It's good that I mean, that was a problem I had, is that the dark modes that I would implement wouldn't fall the way down into WooCommerce and into the LMS. But if you've done that, that's great.
No, it will look good with all the other integrations also. Dark mode will
You
look
can
good with them.
you can switch the dark mode and show that it's working right now. Yeah, Binu, go ahead with your
Yeah.
question.
I have a couple of questions. The first one, is there a difference between Google Translate and the local translate, and when it comes to using translate your web content, basically BuddyPress content?
Actually, what Google Translate is what is on your screen right now.
Right.
Okay. And
Yeah.
the settings and all the options what your as a admin you will get are not getting translated in the
Okay.
same way.
All
Okay.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
And another thing, I'm a fan of your group types. Supposing if I'm adding lots many groups under each group type,
Yeah.
what is the maximum number of groups that can be added? If there are more number of groups, will the performance get affected?
No. Actually, the overall website performance only depend on your server capability. That's the limit of
Okay.
BuddyPress. Like if you
Okay.
will ask whether I can host 1,000 person on the website or not, the limit
Yeah.
only depend on your server capability. If
Server.
you can hold that, then website will run for you.
Okay. One more question. That
Yeah.
is about this activity. The people commenting on activity page,
Yeah.
especially when they post the links.
Yeah.
Is there any way to find the duplicate link? The same person or the different persons, post same links over and over again, or at different points of time. Is there any way to find and delete duplicate links from the activity comments?
No, actually, that's not a way. Just because anyone can't just simply track that, or you can
Okay.
have need a custom code on your website with what can, like you are asking, like if someone publishing this, like you have multiple publishers on your website and someone publishing the same content on your website. So that,
yes.
so that's the same thing. Like in multiple people are publishing on your website and what people are publishing. So that need to be checked manually or by a code level. You have to do something to check on
Okay.
your website.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
All
the
right.
requirement you are asking for will need custom
And
work. However, we have a plugin for moderation and profanity. So you can
no,
control what people can post, but you cannot control that duplicacy. That will
Yeah.
need custom work.
Yes, yes, because the duplicate link, at different point of time, people posting mostly links actually, not the videos or pictures. The links, links that goes out to a third-party website, people post there.
actually, I think there is some option you can implement that need to be custom little bit, but I think there need a small amount of code which can disable that people can't share a link in your activity.
No, the
Okay.
same link sharing again, different people sharing same link. That
Yeah.
is it.
I think then you will need a plugin like moderation so that some of the members you can assign as a moderator and they can check and intentionally delete or flag the post
Oh,
which they find duplicate. So that's the thing of a community. Like
okay.
so you have to assign moderators or only you have to do it to flag those kind of
Okay.
content.
Okay.
Or you
So
can
That's a general
restrict
issue with
your
that's a
yeah.
general issue with the community website, like
I
community
understand.
platform.
So that means you have to enable a moderator. Unless the moderator approves, the link will not be published.
Yeah,
That is what,
you can
yeah.
do that with
Right.
moderation.
But automatically checking all the links published in the under this
No, you can't
yeah,
actually check what
that
people are posting on your
You
website when
can
you are.
no, moderation have an option for automatic moderation for activities. You can restrict people for posting anything unless it is not moderated by
yes,
admin or moderator. But you
understand.
cannot specify that if the link is only posted, if the same link is only
Right.
posted, you can simply restrict them to post anything.
Okay,
You will moderate that, then that activity will be visible
Yes.
on the activity stream.
Yes, understood. Fair enough. Thank you.
Okay, I guess that's it from our side right now. Okay, we are at the end of this webinar. Okay, and Mark, if you have any questions, you can also ask us. Okay, via our support channel, and we will try to answer our best. Okay. And next up, we will discuss about all these extra features you can implement with BuddyPress. Like we are discussing about the moderation feature and all the private community feature. So all this comes using some sort of add-ons. So we are going to discuss about those features one by one in the next coming of webinars. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, great guys. Thanks for joining.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mark. You can end the meeting, Pooja. Thanks.
Yes, thank you. Goodbye. And if you have any questions, you can reach via our support channel.